Hello students, I am Himesh Mishra, math teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today I will revise chapter linear equation. What is linear equation? Linear equation is made by two words linear and equation. First of all, I will express what is equation. Equation is the statement of equality which contain one or more variables. For example, if you say an statement, if you add 5 in any number equal to 7, so I will write this statement as if you add 5 in any number equal 7. Here equal sign and x is any variable. So this is the equation. Now we can write another statement as this type: x plus 6 equal 9, x minus 5 equal 10. These are the equation. Here x is the variable. Why it is called variable? Because here if you put value of x, then we get, if value of put x equal to, then we get 7. If you put value of x 3, then we get 9. Here is x and here is also x, but value of x is different at different place. Here value of x is 2, but here value of x is 3. So x is called variable. Now other part is linear. Why it is called linear? If the power of variable in any equation, or we can say if the exponent of x is in any equation is 1, then equation is called linear equation. We can also say this is linear equation in one variable, because here variable is 1, here variable is 1 only x, here also variable is 1. But if you write as this type x plus y equal 9, here is the equality sign, so this is equation, but here variable is 2, here variable is 2, x and y. So this type of equation is called linear equation in two variable, because variable is 2, x and y, and power of y is also 1 and power of x is also 1. Therefore this is also linear equation, but it is linear equation in two variable. Now if you put the value of x, if you put the value of x in any equation, we get the right hand side. Here is an equation. This part is called left hand side, and this part is called right hand side. If in any linear equation, if you put value of x and we get the right hand side, then value of x is called solution of equation, or we can say root of equation. If you put value of in this equation, if you put value of x 2, we get 5 plus 2 equal 7. We get right hand side. So x equal to is the solution of this linear equation. If you put here value of x equal 3, then we get 9. So x equal 3 is the solution of this equation. If you put value of x equal 15, then we get 15 minus 5 equal 10. Then x equal 15 is the solution of this equation. Now I will explain how to solve linear equation. How to solve a linear equation. Method for solving linear equation in one variable. Method for solving linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. Method for solving linear equation in one variable. Suppose that this is linear equation, x plus 5 equal 9. This is linear equation. If you want to solve this linear equation, then we have same number in left hand side and same number in right hand side. If you subtract any number in left hand side, then we should subtract same number in right hand side. If you divide any number left hand side, then we should divide right hand side by the same number. If you multiply by any number left hand side, then we should divide same number right hand side. Suppose we have to solve this linear equation. It means we have to find out value of x. Value of x is the solution of this linear equation. So if we want to solve this linear equation, then we subtract 5 both sides. X plus 5 minus 5 equal 9 minus 5. 5 minus 5 will be 0, therefore it will be x plus 0 equal 9. 5 subtracted by 9 from 9 equal 4. Therefore x equal 4. Therefore x equal 4 is the solution of this linear equation. Now I will take another example of linear equation. Suppose that x upon 5 equal 10. For solving this linear equation, we have to find out value of x. How I will find value of x? For finding value of x, we multiply 5 both sides. Then 5 multiply x by 5 equal 10 into 5. 5 divided by 5, therefore x equal 10 5 is 50. Therefore x equal 50 is the solution of this linear equation. Or because now how to check any linear equation. If you want to check this solution, x equal 50 is the solution of this equation. How to check? How to check? Check. I will put value of x equal 50 in the left hand side. If you find 10, then our answer x equal 50 is correct. If you not find right hand side 10, then our solution x equal 50 is wrong. So I put x equal 50 in left hand side. When you put x equal 50 in left hand side, then it will be 50 value of x equal 50 upon 5. 5 10 50. We get 10. Right hand side is also 10. It means x equal 50 is the correct solution of this linear equation. Now I will revise exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Question number 1 is find new equation by carrying out the action carrying out the action given in bracket on both sides of the equation, on both sides of the equation First part is 2x plus 3 equal 13 multiply by 2. Second part is 3y minus 3 equal 21. Add 5. Now we have to find out new equation from this equation by multiplying by 2 both sides. So solution of this equation, given equation is 2x plus 3 equal 13. We have to multiply 2 both sides, then 2 multiply 2x plus 3 equal 2 multiply 13. Then it will be, first of all I will multiply 2 by 2x, 2 to the 4x, 2 into 2x plus 2 into 3 equal 26. Then it will be 2 to the 4x plus 6 equal 26. This is the new equation will multiply by 2 both sides of this equation. Now second part is 3y minus 3 equal 2. We have to add 5 both sides. Then it will be 3y minus 3 plus 5 equal 2 plus 5. 3y minus 3 plus 5 equal 2 plus 5. Here is minus 3 and here is plus 5. Therefore, when subtract 3 from 5, we get plus 2. Then it will be 3y plus 2 equal 7. This is the new equation when we add 5 on this equation. Now, next question number 2. I'll revise next question number 2. Question number 2 of exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Question number 2. Question number 2. Solve each of the following equation. Solve each of the following equation. Each of the following equations and check your solution and check your solution by substituting its value in the equation. Its value in the equation. Question is, first part, 6 equal 3a minus 3. First of all, I will find solution of this equation. We can write this equation as this type: 3a minus 3 equal 6. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. First of all, I will multiply 3 by a minus 3. Then it will be 3 multiply a minus 3 multiply 3 equal 6. Then it will be 3a minus 3 is 9 equal 6. Now you have to find out value of a. So we add 9 both sides. Then it will be 3a minus 9 plus 9 equals 6 plus 9. Therefore, minus 9 plus 9 will be cancelled. 3a equal 15, and therefore a equal 15 upon 3, 3 5 are 15. Therefore, a equal 5 is the solution of this equation. Now you have to check. Now this is our equation 3a minus 3. This is the left hand side. This is the left hand side of this equation. So I will put a equal 5 in this equation. If we find 6, then our answer is correct. Our answer is solution is correct. So I will put A equal 5. 3, 5 minus 3. Then it will be 3 into 2 equal 6. You find right hand side. Right hand side is 6. Therefore, our answer is correct. I hope that all related problem of linear equation is confirmed to you. Next video I will revise next exercise 4.2. Thank you.